Are you still using traditional way for dropshipping business? If yes, then you will end up with failure with dropshipping journey. Instead of failure, you can grow your dropshipping business if you choose the right strategy. I have established multiple dropshipping businesses that made me over this much money, and I'm here to help you to grow your dropshipping business even if you are new to dropshipping. I'll tell you what things you should include and what things you need to avoid to run a profitable dropshipping business. So without wasting more time, let's get started. Things you should avoid. Starting up a dropshipping business without niche research. Whenever you jump right away to make money just by watching other successful dropshipper results without knowing A to Z of dropshipping, then it is obvious to lose your money and time. Things you need to add. Do a proper niche research. Before making any investment into this business, you must do niche research. To do a proper niche research, you can use Google Trends. Here's how you can use Google Trends for niche research. Go to trends.google.com. Here, go to Explore section and select your country where you would like to do a dropshipping. And rest of the options should be same as mine. I'll use car accessory, but feel free to explore any niche that interests you. And hit enter. So you can clearly see that the car accessory has steady popularity in United States. This indicates that the car accessory could be a profitable niche only if you follow the right strategy. Things you should avoid. Don't rush into the business without knowing what to sell. Even if you have already figured out what kind of market you want to target, it's crucial to do your research before deciding on a specific product. Don't just guess or rely on someone else's suggestion. You need to make sure there's actual demand for what you plan to offer. Why this is important? Because without proper research, you risk wasting time and money. You might end up investing in a product nobody wants. Missing your target, you might struggle to reach the right customer if you don't understand their needs and preferences. Thing you need to add. To do a proper product research, you can use ad spying tool like Minea for product research. Here's how to use it. Let's go to the website Minea.com. This site is one of the top tools for checking ads on the internet. The great thing is that you can find winning product in just 3 clicks. I picked Minea because it let me see the best ads in the market as they happen, and it's easy to use. Let me show you how to use Minea to find your first winning product. To use this amazing ad spying tool, you have to create an account on this website. If you use my coupon code, by clicking on this button, use my promotion, you will get 20% discount for 3 months on premium and starter plans with this coupon code. To get the 20% discount, you can either click over here or anywhere on the video or maybe right here, and here you can register with your Google account to use this tool. So let me click on continue with Google. So let me quickly log in. Okay, once you register on this website, now you're ready to use this tool. If you're using free trial of this website, you will get 350 credit to use this tool. However, you can use my promo code in order to get your first premium plan or your starter plan. Since I already have a premium account, so I'm gonna log in into my official account. After you log in, you will see several options to help you to find a profitable product. If you scroll down, you can see the top 10 products of the day from Facebook, Pinterest, and TikTok. You can choose one of these products if it fits your market. If not, I can show you another way to find a product. Just click on the ads in the menu section of this website. Here you can see all the ads from Facebook, Pinterest, and TikTok. On the left side, you will have a filter that allows you to sort the ads according to your preferences. The way I like to use this filter is by first choosing the shop now, buy now in the call to action option. Then I select high engagement based on likes, comments, and shares. This way, you'll see the best performing ads from these platforms. You can also choose the country where you want to start your dropshipping business. Another way to filter ads is by using these buttons. You can check weekly winners, the best of the month, recent dropshipping ads, and more. These buttons are preset filter, so I'll select weekly winners and Facebook ads. Here you will see several top performing ads. Just scroll through the ads and see which one is fit your market. Once you find a winning product, click on See More button to view all the details about it. Once you're satisfied with the product, click here to view the product page. I'm going to click on Find on AliExpress. In the pop-up, click on the product image, wait for a few seconds, and it will show you the same product on AliExpress that you can import to your store. However, I prefer using Zendrop instead of AliExpress because AliExpress often has slow shipping time and you will also get beaten up packaging. Additionally, you won't get customer support, which leads to bad customer experience. Things you should avoid. rely on bad supplier. If you're still using AliExpress, then there is a 99% chance you won't get the right supplier. Even if you're able to find one, you won't get the all types of product from single supplier. Things you need to add. Find a reliable dropshipping supplier. Supplier play a vital role in every successful dropshipping business. Zendrop is one of the best dropshipping supplier in this business because Zendrop control its supply chain in China with 300 plus employees who work directly with manufacturers. Zendrop handles the fulfillment, which let them provide faster quotes, better product sourcing, and more competitive prices. Their product catalog has millions of products, making it ideal for beginners to start selling viral products. The trending product section updates weekly, which is very useful. They also offer hundreds of US-based products with 2 to 5 days shipping time. If you can't find the product in the catalog, the product sourcing expert at Zendrop will locate it for you at best price available in the market and add it to the product catalog so you can start selling right away. If a Zendrop user need to refund a customer for any reason, Zendrop will also issue the refund without any question. This is very helpful for dropshipping merchants. Additionally, they offer automatic daily fulfillment feature. In the order section, you can top up your credit balance and they will handle all the fulfillment for you. Just sit back and relax while your dropshipping business run on autopilot. Another great feature of Zendrop is that once user reaches the 10 order per day, they will receive a custom quotes and be assigned with the dedicated quoting agent and account manager. To start with the Zendrop, click the first link in the video description and it will take you to their website. On this page, you have to type your email and your card detail and click on Start Free Trial button and grab your Zendrop's Plus account. The best part is, if you use my link, you will get $200 in order credit, priceless e-commerce courses that will make you an expert in your e-commerce business. Additionally, after your trial ends, you will get 50% off for 3 months, which is amazing. Additionally, you will get automatic fulfillment feature, live weekly coaching calls, and more. If you don't use my link and go directly to Zendrop website, here you have to pay $79 per month after your trial ends, as you can see. So don't miss this opportunity. Grab your Zendrop Plus account. Once you created your account with Zendrop, just log in. Before we connect our Shopify store with Zendrop, we need to build it first. Now create a dropshipping website with Shopify. You don't actually need to know any kind of coding skills. It's designed for beginners and easy to use. To start with the Shopify, just click the second link in the video description and start building your Shopify store for $1 a month for 3 months. Store building is a long process, which I have already covered in my other videos that you can find in the video description. So take your time and build your store. Once you're done with it, now connect your Shopify store by clicking on Connect My Store button. Follow the on-screen guide to connect it. Once you have connected your store, import the product according to your niche selection from the product catalog. Once you found the product, then click on Add to My Product button. Now go to My Product section from the left side. Here you will see all the products that you have selected to import into your store. Simply click on Review and Publish and then click on Publish to My Store. Now your job is to optimize your product page for high conversion. Thing you should avoid when promoting your dropshipping products. Overhyping your products. Why it's bad? Exaggerate claims or unrealistic promises erode trust. If your product doesn't live up to the hype, customer will be disappointed and less likely to buy from you again. What to do instead? Be honest and accurate in your description. Highlight the genuine benefits and features of your product. Use real customer testimonial and high quality images to build credibility. Ignoring your target audience. Imagine trying to get everyone's attention by shouting the same thing at a crowd. Some people might be interested, but most will just ignore you. It's the same thing with the market. If you just send out a general message to everyone, it won't be very effective. What to do instead? You need to think about who you're trying to reach and what they care about. For example, if you are selling shoes, you wouldn't use the same message for athletes and fashion bloggers. Athletes might care about performance and comfort, while fashion bloggers might be more interested in style and trends. To make your marketing work better, you need to do the following. First, know your audience. Figure out who your ideal customer is and what they are looking for. Tailor your message. Create different message for different group of people, focusing on what importance to them. This way your message will resonate with the right people, meaning it will connect them and make them more likely to pay attention. Rely solely on paid advertisement. Imagine building a house on just one pillar. It might stand for a little while, but it's not very stable, right? That's what it's like to only use paid advertisement for your business. Paid advertising means things like pay for ads on Google or Facebook. It can be helpful, but it can also be expensive and risky. Is why it's not good to only use paid ads. High cost. You have to keep paying to show your ads, and cost can be added quickly. Competition. You are competing with other businesses for attention, which can drive more price up. No lasting impact. Once you stop paying, your ads disappear, and so does your visibility. It's like renting a billboard. You get attention while you pay, but once you stop, it's gone. Instead, think about building a strong foundation of your business. This means using other ways to reach people, like social media, connecting with people on platforms like Facebook or Instagram. Content marketing. Create helpful blog post or video that people want to read, watch, and share. Email marketing. Building a list of interested customers and sending them a valuable emails. Search engine optimization. Make sure your website shows up in a search result when people look for products like yours. These methods take more time and effort, but they can create more stable and long-lasting flow of customer to your business. Copying your competitor. Why it's bad? Simply mimicking your competitor won't help you to stand out. Customers are looking for unique value proposition and authentic brands. What to do instead? Find your unique selling point. What makes your product or brand different? Emphasizing your strength or offering something distinctive to attract customer. By implementing all these strategies, you can establish your own profitable dropshipping business. That's the end of this video. If you found it valuable, please don't forget to like the video and consider subscribing to the channel for more valuable content just like this one. Thank you so much for watching this video. Till then, I'll see you guys next time.